In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new forms experience in Microsoft Lists. This updated experience makes it simple to collect information from anyone you share a link with and have every response flow directly into your list as a new item. We'll start from the list homepage and work all the way to sharing your form. Begin by opening Microsoft Lists from your Microsoft 365 apps or your SharePoint site. Pick the workspace where your list lives so you can keep everything organized in the right place. Open an existing list you want to collect entries for, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. If you do create a new list, choose a template that's close to your scenario so the default columns make sense for your data. At the top menu, select Forms, then choose New Form. This opens the form designer that's already connected to your list, so anything you include on the form will map straight to columns in that list. Click on the form title and description to rename them. Keep the title clear and short, and use the description to set expectations. Explain who should complete the form, what you're collecting, and how long it might take. On the right-hand panel, select or deselect columns to include or remove them from the form. Only the fields you choose will be visible to responders, which is great for hiding internal use columns. If a column is required in the list, make sure it's included here so submissions don't fail. Use the Add Field button at the bottom to create new columns on the fly. This is perfect when you realize you're missing a piece of information. Pick a column type that matches the data you need: text for short answers, choice for standardized options, date for scheduling, and give it a clear name. Remember, these fields become part of your list for ongoing tracking and reporting. Select themes to adjust the form's color and background. Choose a look that fits your brand and, importantly, maintains good contrast so the form is accessible and easy to read. Open settings to turn on email notifications for new responses or to add a custom thank you message. Notifications help you or your team react quickly, and a friendly thank you can confirm next steps, like when someone can expect a follow-up. Click Preview to see exactly how the form will look to your audience. Scan for clarity, check that labels make sense, and confirm there's nothing confusing or unnecessary. When you're ready, choose Send Form to copy the shareable link. Paste it into email, chat, or your intranet. Sharing options depend on your organization's policies, so keep in mind that some links may be internal only. That's it. Every submission lands in your list, ready to sort, filter, and automate.